I'm working here as assistant manager estate from last 5. I make sure that all the facilities at Venture Center maintained at world-class quality. And we are able to provide a productive and professional atmosphere to all the incubators. There is a mutual respect and amongst the all Venture Center staff as well as team members and management.
I'm working in the capacity of manager incubator and marketing for over 6 months now. I'm the first point of contact for any inquirer who comes to the office and understand their business and connect them to the right resources. I'm responsible for the entire process of incubation from inquiry and any support that requires during the incubation period. And I'm also responsible for handling projects which is related to the gauging impact and visibility of Venture Center. Anybody with a zeal of learning new culture of hard work, taking ownership and creativity should join Venture Center, and you should not always stick to the job description. You should let the creativity flow out of you in executing your job. Venture Center provides ample scope for learning and creativity, and at the same time a degree of freedom in executing your job. You get to learn a lot from the true innovators and discover the value of hard work and ownership. And also a single effort can never go unnoticed and unrecognized. And I'm thrilled to interact with entrepreneurs from different fields, starting from hardcore IT to environmentally and socially relevant enterprises, from startups which are based on herbal formulations to complex biomedical devices, from agricultural solutions to robotics on a day-to-day basis. And it gives an immense sense of satisfaction when you can provide a small help in the form of a piece of advice maybe, and being a part of their endeavor to build a successful enterprise. Venture Center provides ample scope for learning and creativity, and at the same time provides a degree of freedom in executing your job. You get to learn a lot from the true innovators and discover the value of hard work and their sense of taking ownership. And also in Venture Center, a single effort can never go unnoticed and unrecognized. And also I'm very thrilled to interact with entrepreneurs from wide spectrum of fields, starting from hardcore IT to robotics, from startups who are working on complex biomedical devices to herbal formulations, or from agricultural solutions to robotics on a day-to-day basis. And it gives an immense sense of satisfaction when you can provide a very simple help in the form of even a small piece of advice, connecting them to the right experts, and being a part of their endeavor to build a very successful enterprise.
The journey so far has been really inspiring. It encourages me to take up responsibilities in a positive way and more independently. I have learned that if you wish to do something, you can really do. I enhanced my self-learning at Venture Center. I encourage teamwork, and I've also come to arrived at a solution that it is necessary for all of us to just believe in ourselves, and the solutions come on our own with proper efforts. Venture Center, I ensure that Venture Center runs like a well-oiled machine, so the timely compliances become very important, and I take the ownership of all these responsibilities. Venture Center is a company with difference. Here at Venture Center, each one of us strive hard towards seeding tomorrow's enterprises today. So if you would like to work at a good place, good environment, you can join any place, any company. But if you want to work in a great environment, I think this is the place. That is my personal feeling. It has been a very inspiring journey to work with Venture Center so far. It encourages me to explore my potential and come up with solutions. It also has given me the chance of self-learning, enhancing the belief in myself, and also encourage teamwork. At the end of the day, I truly feel satisfied that if you really wish to do something, you can come up and face all kinds of challenges if you believe in yourself. And Venture Center, the goals that I have achieved through my personal efforts has been great in the collective growth of the company. So I am really happy being working here.
I am working Venture Center as a manager IT from 2008, responsible for all IT related services and support. I am responsible for analysis, designing and developing software for venture center and clients, installation the new hardware, support and managing new hardware, responsible for all IT supports for clients related to hardware, networking and day-to-day basis. Any problem if they occur, they will call me. Venture Center provides us facilities for good environment, working and exploring new technologies. All staffs are supportive and good leadership quality provided by Venture Center and management. If you want to start your venture in future and want to learn tools and tricks about startup, then join Venture Center.
I am Assistant Lab Manager at Venture Center and I have completed 5 years of service with VC. Currently, we are managing all lab-related operations. We provide lab services and analytical services. For the analytical services, right from sample preparation to data acquisition, and in some cases, we also help with data analysis to our clients. Then secondly, we also run technical workshops and training programs, and we also run proof of concept projects. Venture Center has been an excellent place to work at. I joined Venture Center 5 years back as a fresher, and now as I look back at these past few years, they have helped me mold into a versatile person and has imbibed the confidence in me to face challenges. VC has given direction to my career, and with its strong work ethics and employee-friendly culture, there's never a dull day at work. And moreover, we are not only encouraged to achieve our professional goals, but we are also appreciated and encouraged to pursue our personal interests or hobbies. Venture Center is an excellent place to work at. If growth is assured if you're willing to learn.